The localizer 27, Aero 2249 X-ray.
Of course, you're Alpha. Okay, expect the localizer 27 approach, but be advised that weather is clearing up.
Is it now? Okay, we'll plan the localizer, and if it's VMC when I get down there, I'll just shoot the visual 2249 X-ray.
Okay, yeah, it's scattered 1,500 with the current ATIS, which is Mike.
Alright, I'll grab that and let's get a little bit closer and I'll make my decision. Aero 2249 X-ray.
Right, Canada 1058, cross runway 26 right. Stand Delta 12 via Bravo and Charlie 3 today.
Cross 26 right, taxi Delta 12 Charlie in Bravo, you said, for 1015?
Yeah, you can actually take just Bravo and take Bravo and Bravo and Charlie 3.
Bravo, Charlie 3 for Canada 1015, thank you.
LA Center, good morning again. Southwest 2525, spot 11 with India, Las Vegas, request taxi.
2525, runway 19 left, taxi via Golf and Delta. And just confirm you have the current ATIS India.
19er left, Golf, Delta, and we do have India, Southwest 2525.
DHL 29 heavy, wind is 260 at 6, runway 27 cleared left.
Los Angeles American 265, 2.4 for 5.
American 265, radar contact 2,400, climb maintain, flight level 320, cleared reg Dinty.
Correct, Dinty, climb and maintain, level 320, American 265.
Los Angeles information, Juliet is current wind 240 at 10, altimeter is 2997.
LA Center, Southwest 2677 will be ready to go, 27.
Emma United 832, descend with the Angel 4 arrival, expect runway 25 left, information Kilo now. And United 515, this pilot's discretion, descend with the Angel 4 arrival, information Kilo, expect runway 25 left.
Descend, pilot discretion, engine left. For expect ILS or 25 left, United 515.
Mike Riley 3166, descend and maintain 3000, and the Ontario Airport is currently at your 10 o'clock, 3 miles, Coldfield side.
Down 3000, and we got field of size at back out 3166.
Mike Riley 3166, cleared, visual approach runway 26 left.
No, visual 26 left, back out 3166.
Track Raleigh 3166, wind 2408, and the altimeter just changed to 2995, runway 26 left or left.
2995 and 26 left, clear to land, Pack Valley 3136.
Los Angeles Center, Southwest 3234, Las Vegas, and Bravo 10, requesting departure clearance to Burbank.
And November 1 Mike Charlie, turn 10 degrees to left, maintain 8000.
10 to the left, 8000, Challenger 1 Mike Charlie.
Los Angeles Center, American 232 Heavy, down at Lindbergh, requesting IFR to Fort Worth is filed.
200. So say the call sign again?
American 232 Heavy.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Number 414-104 Romeo Alpha.
Go for 4 Romeo Alpha.
You going to take the turn from Catalina to the procedure turn there, or are you going to just direct Wrigley?
Either way works for you. I can go from Santa Catalina or Wrigley.
Okay, let's give you the full approach procedure. Why don't you cross Santa Catalina VOR at 3000, then cleared for the VOR DME Bravo approach. Report Wrigley inbound.
Confirm cross Santa Catalina at 3,400 or above, cleared GPS Bravo approach.